You talk to any creator and the first thing they'll tell you to upgrade on your setup is your audio, because with bad audio, people aren't gonna listen. But don't waste your time with those $10 microphones, actually invest in something good. So today I'm checking out Hollyland's Lark A1 lavalier microphone. This is designed to connect to your phones. It has a USB-C and a USB-A connection. And what's great about these is they do have 3 levels of intelligent noise cancellation. In full transparency, I did get sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video, but I am also gonna be honest, I've been using Hollyland for over a year now and I'm really impressed with their products. So in saying that, let's get this open, check out what comes in the box and actually start to test these out. In the box, so we do have some information and packing list. We have the charging case and everything inside here. We'll get to this in a second. And we do have this cool carry bag. It does come with some windshields. There's 2 in there. These will just slip on over the lavalier microphones. And then we do have a charging cable, a USB-A to USB-C, which will charge the lavalier microphone case. That will then in turn charge the microphones. So inside our charging case, we do have our 2 lavalier microphones and then our 2 receivers, the USB-C and the Thunderbolt. Okay, first of all, let's take a quick look at the design. So these are tiny in a really good way. So you don't want your lavalier mics to be obnoxious. You want them small, you want them tiny, you want them to not be noticed but work really good. And that's what these promise to do. They do have a magnet clip. So that is great for clipping them on. Okay, so now I have the microphone on. So this is the audio quality that you will be getting. And there is some amazing features. You can download the app and it's gonna give you complete control. Something that's fantastic about these is the noise cancellation. So in the app itself, you have complete control over the volume, the noise cancellation, low, medium, and high. You also have reverb and EQs. The app just gives you complete control. Now you can also control it off the microphone itself. So just by holding the button down, it will engage noise cancellation. So once it has turned green, then noise cancellation is in full effect. You'll probably hear some type of difference. I think the best way to test this out is I'm going to turn my AC unit back on and we're going to see what actually blocks out. So my AC unit is on. As you can probably hear. So noise cancellation is going to be fantastic if you're filming outside, near busy roads where lots of people are talking. If you try and get those intimate voices, having these lapel mics on each other and having that noise cancellation on, you're just going to be picking up the high quality sounds. So the next thing is the range. Compared to a cheap $10 pair of lavalier microphones, the range on this is going to be tenfold. Right now it's dark outside, but I think we can still do a test on it. And as you can see, even this far away, and I'm hardly even speaking loudly, you can still hear me perfectly from a distance. Let me even go inside and see if that still works. And even inside, no doors or anything block the transmissions and it still comes through perfectly fine, as you can see. If you want to take the next step as a content creator and you want to level something up, audio is the first thing you must do. In saying that, the Lark A1s are an incredibly affordable option that's going to give you much better quality compared to the cheaper $10 ones. And you're going to need to replace sooner rather than later. So if you are interested in the Lark A1s today, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Head over there for more information or grab yourself a pair now. Do me a favor, leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite feature of the Lark A1s was. Share this with a friend who you think may need it. Hit that like button, subscribe for more great reviews like this, and we'll see you in the next one.